Hello guys, Washerlad 2014 here. Right, I'm at Curry's PC World again, and I'm just going to show you all the washing machines again. Since this video was the most popular since all three of my Curry's PC World videos have 1k views, over 1k views, I thought I'd do another one. Yeah, because it's a popular demand. Yeah, I'm not going to say all the model numbers, I'm just going to quickly just have a look at all the washing machines without me speaking. I'll just say the company name, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So, that's Samsung, isn't it? I will turn them. Oh, that's actually on. It's actually on. There's the ad wash. That's on as well. It's not on. It's the Beckos. There's some Beckos. There's loads of machines there. There's AEG. There's Hoovers. They are going to be made by Haier soon because Haier have recently purchased the Candy Group. So yeah. There's Samsungs over there. Sharp, I think they're Vestal made. It's Hoovers. There's a Hoover. I haven't seen there's no Axes in here, thank God. So there's a Haier, I think that's Vestal made. There's Grundigs, they're just a copy of Beckos. Bosch, more Bosches. Hoover, Samsung, Miele W1 Classic. These are not the good Mieles. It's got the old drum, but without any. Yeah, and there's no on and off button. Oh, that's on. Might be a bit naughty and does it? No, I'm just turning them all on. Those are all AGs. Those are the MIDI Logics. That one's missing. This was on last time, and it was it's missing this for some reason, and I don't know why. There's a Kenwood. That's higher there. I presume that's Vestal made. In the ships, don't get it started on them. Hotpoint Interpoints. Or a row of Interpoints. Hoover. I'm going to show it some next one. Another Samsung. Oh, that's on. It's not on. There's some more Samsung ad wash. Another Samsung ad wash. Another ad wash. There's some Samsungs. This is just Samsung. This one's on. Oh, it's very unlevel though. On off. That one's not on. Oh, those are all tumble dryers. Yeah, those are all tumble dryers. Yeah. Where's this one? It's not on. It's not on. Those are all tumble dryers there. There's dishwashers. I'm going to show you all the built-in washing machines now.
That oven's not big enough.
Yeah, that's a Logic there, those are dishwashers down there, Beckos, Hoovers, there's the Hotpoint there, that's so ugly. There's a big Hotpoint, there's a Hoover, there's a Becko, there's another Hoover. Yeah. This is kind of like the clearance machines. So there's a Becker. I think this was on last time. I'm just gonna turn them on. Just gonna see if there's any I can turn on. That's it. I'm gonna be a bit naughty and put a Samsung on the cycle. Yeah. Try and find one that turns on. Let's see if this doesn't have anything in it. No, that doesn't turn on. I'm gonna find one that turns on. No, that's got stuff in it. No, actually I'm not going to do it. And right, those have been all the washing machines at Curry's PC World then. Yeah, I was very surprised when the highest viewed video is 2k views, and that was part 3 out of 3 on the, and that was the Curry's PC World. That has 2k views, so if we can get this video to a similar amount of views, then that would be very good. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and thank you very much all of you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more enjoyable content. And I will see you guys another time. Maybe you're washing the Whirlpool next, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.